Hey friends, if your Hyundai displays the Check BSD system warning, don't assume the blind spot detection system has completely failed. BSD or blind spot detection uses radar sensors mounted behind the rear bumper to monitor vehicles approaching from the side and alert you before changing lanes. When the system can't receive accurate radar information or detects a communication problem, it temporarily disables the feature and displays this message. The cause is often something simple, such as a blocked sensor, recent body repair, or electrical interruption, rather than a failed radar module. Before scheduling a service visit, try these practical checks. Step 1. Remove thick mud flaps or accessories installed near the rear bumper corners. Step 2. Inspect the rear bumper for fresh paint or body filler covering the radar area. Step 3. Check that the rear wheel well liners are securely fastened. Step 4. Drive on a multi lane road so the system can detect nearby traffic normally.